Good morning, welcome, and thank you so much for being here. 21 days of spiritual practice, true nature. In this time that we're living in at the moment, it can be quite stressful. It's a stressful time, and we often find ourselves that we're never actually living in the present. So what this practice will be for 21 days, it will be a 10-minute container for us to become friends with our own true nature, making space with the awareness that resides within us. So it's about living true to ourselves and not living to the expectations of others, which we do nearly all of the time. So we're going to begin to train the mind to wander less. That when we do this, then we can find ourselves living more in the present, in the moment, in the present time, which is actually the only time that exists. So when we pause and we find ourselves in the present moment, we feel alive. We have clarity of the mind, the body, and clarity of the heart. We feel like we're aligned. So this 21 days, we're going to cover very much the basics of how we can begin to train our mind. So we will begin with just arriving in presence. We'll also then be looking at the breath, at our feeling states, our thoughts, at our body, compassion, and then being aligned with our true nature and how we live, being aligned with your deepest or your widest self. So let's begin. You need to be sitting upright, either on a cushion, a yoga mat, or a chair. If you're sitting in a chair, just make sure both feet are flat on the ground. So you need to be alert but also relaxed. If for any reason you can't sit upright, you can lie down. But just be aware of staying alert. Try not to fall asleep. So make sure your hands are resting somewhere, either on your knees or your belly or in your lap. And gently close your eyes. So as you begin to come in to your stillness, just sense your body pausing a little. Bring a gentle awareness to your body and just sense that those moments of pause. You take 2 deep breaths just to place yourself in this moment. Deep inhalations and exhalations. Just be aware of your breath. Bring a gentle awareness to it. Once you've taken these deep breaths and feel that you're settled, you're coming into your stillness, just continue with your natural rhythm of breathing. Don't try to breathe in any way, just breathe as you usually would. Then begin to notice without any judgment, and no judgment here, it's just you and you. Begin to notice your mind. Begin to notice your heart and any sensations that you might feel in your body. So you might feel tingling, sensations in the palms of your hands. You feel the sensations of your body where it's in contact with the ground. Just be aware of all those sensations. A gentle awareness without any judgment. Keep breathing your natural, rhythmic breathing. Notice how you can become present in this moment. Sitting here in this moment, how you become present. You're noticing sensations. You have a gentle awareness of your body. Notice what is present in this moment. Notice everything without any judgment. Notice it all and relax into it. There's no right or wrong. It's just what it is. The important thing is to notice it and then try to relax with it. Begin to feel how it feels to be present. How does it feel right now? How do you feel? Be aware of this feeling state as you're sitting here in stillness for yourself in this moment. If the mind begins to wander, that's absolutely normal. Let it wander, then just come back and focus on your gentle awareness of everything that's going on in your body right now, in your mind and in your heart, whatever it is. You're present in this moment. Feel how it feels to be present. Feel the benefit of this feeling and know that you can access this place of stillness at any time. You have the power to access this place at any time. This place of gentle awareness and stillness. It's all yours, with you all the time. All you have to do is turn the key to access it. Okay, so you slowly, gently let your eyes open, a gentle, soft gaze. And just let your intention for the rest of today be to bring this mindful awareness that you've just accessed, bring it with you when you leave your seat in a moment. Bring it with you throughout your day and into the next activity that you do. Just try and bring that mindful awareness with you. Whatever it is you're going to do now, put on the kettle, go into a meeting, go to bed, whatever time of the day you might be doing this, just bring that awareness with you. Okay, thank you.